My mother used to say that I was lazy when I didn't want to put my back into tasks that I frankly didn't care about. One day, when I was in school, my teacher said, and this was in primary school, my teacher said, Zanele, you do so well in this one particular subject. Why don't you do the same for this other one that you're underperforming in? But in my head, I was going, well, because the one that I do well in is aligned to my reason for being on this earth. And the other one that I don't perform well in is not. Anyway, my point is this. When we think about our parents, our grandparents, our mentors, our teachers, they grew up in a very different time to us. And some of them might even say it was tough. And the way that they approached work and even abundance was that you have to work in a job that you hate and works you to the bone before you start feeling like you deserve what you earn, or you deserve your income, or you deserve your wages or your salary. Now, work doesn't have to be hard or grueling. We're not our parents. What happened to ease? I now outsource the things that don't bring the best out of me, because I understand that there is a sweet spot, and I deeply, deeply, deeply believe that we need to find it. It's time to unlearn the idea that work has to be horrible and backbreaking. It's time to let that go, guys. If you're ready to let it go, come over to my online video course, Transition with Confidence. It's helped amazing career movers like yourself to claim the career confidence that is key for a career that's fulfilling, flexible, and absolutely deliciously abundant. Mwah. I'm wishing you your personalized version of absolute success. Bye for now.